In this video, I will show you how to work crab stitch. Crab stitch, or reverse UK double crochet, is made up by working double crochet stitches backwards. I will be using a 12mm crochet hook and a super bulky weight yarn such as DMC Nova Vita 12. Working from left to right, insert your hook into the next stitch or space on the right. Wrap your yarn round the hook, pull back through. You now have 2 loops on your hook. Wrap the yarn round the hook again and pull through these 2 loops. You have now completed the first crab stitch. Insert your hook into the next stitch on the right. Grab the yarn and pull through. You now have 2 loops on your hook. Wrap your yarn round your hook and pull through the 2 loops. Here we have our row of crab stitch.